This is part 15 of what's inside the Roadmap 3.0 course. By the way, if this is the first video of the series that you're watching me speak, I'm Rico, I'm a digital marketer earning a living with this side hustle. And really the main reason for my success, other than watching the course, is that I use AI to do most of the work. Anyways, course doesn't teach that, but I can help you for sure. This topic has 8 courses, okay? Module 14. TikTok. Now you're probably an expert at watching TikToks, but are you an expert at making TikToks? Here are the courses. Introduction to TikTok, optimize your profile, how to edit your playlists, power of a pinned post, how to SEO your content, how to determine if your content is optimized, how to use hashtags, and how to create a TikTok. Obviously, we're out here. We're all trying to do something better with our lives. Here's what changed for me. At the end of the day, I used to sit on the couch and waste an hour on TikTok just to decompress. It's been a hard day at work, you know? I'm sure you do the same. And then one day I'm like, shit, I have this 1 hour that I'm just pretty much wasting away. Why don't I find a way that I can make money doing the same thing? So now I monetize TikTok instead of wasting time on TikTok. And you can do the same thing. So stay tuned for part 16 and we'll keep going.